Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we're going to make an easy corned beef brisket. All we're going to use is a crock pot, corned beef brisket, and 1 bay leaf. Okay, what we've done is we have put our corned beef brisket in the crock pot and we've got it fat side up. So you want to make sure it's fat side up. It does come with a pickling package, but it doesn't taste as good. So all I'm going to do is add 1 bay leaf to the top of this. And then I'm going to turn this on low for right about 10 to 12 hours. Okay, our corned beef brisket is done. So at this point, we're going to take it and we're going to put it on a grill to sear each side. And we've cooked it for about 12 hours overnight on low. Okay, what we're doing is we're just putting a crust on it on each side of our corned beef brisket. And we're cooking it right about 500 degrees for a quick crust. Okay, all we're doing is we're searing this to put a bark on each side. And that's pretty much all we're going to do. Okay, we've got our brisket off of the fire, so right now we're just going to take some oil full, and we're going to wrap it up because we need to let this rest. And we're going to let it rest for at least an hour. 2 would actually be better, then it'd be a little bit more juicy. And then we're just going to wrap all this up, and then we're going to put a towel to kind of keep it warm, or either you can set it in a cooler. One or the other. And this is going to sit for an hour. Okay, it has been 1 hour. We have let our brisket sit. So right now, we're going to uncover it. And we're going to just cut into it. And it's very, very tender. And you can see it is very, very juicy. And I've already sliced it a little bit. Now I'm just going to try to pull it apart. And then I'm going to take this slice, put it over here. And you can see the juices coming out of it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.